This is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So first order of business is to launch settings, then enter the passwords and accounts category, and remove all Google accounts that you have added if you have any to begin with. Then, once this step is out of the way, get back to the main settings page, re-enter the Google category. Onwards, you gotta tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you have to log into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the screen to expedite the process, and well, to not reveal the password, of course. So just proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do at this stage. Then once the account is successfully signed into, you gotta select it from the list over here once it appears. Then you gotta enter another credentials for another Google account, but this time belonging to you as a parent, or to put it in more wider and simpler terms, log into the Google account you will use to supervise your child activity. So input the password, then follow it, input the email, then follow it by inputting the password. You know the drill. Then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, which you will need to scroll all the way down, and type in the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button. After that, go for the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Now hit the Next button. The Manage Child Apps step we can skip. The same applies for the following page that we'll have, that is managing filters and age restrictions. Well, in here, if the device that is highlighted over here, that is written in the bold font, is the phone or tablet that you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at this button and get the Family Link app automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone, or you can absolutely do this step manually and skip and therefore finish the setup. So the child's end of things is finally completed and all done. So now take whatever device you plan to supervise your child from and download the free Family Link app. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, just make sure to sign into the parental Google account or sign in with the parent Google account. And inside the app, you can do all kinds of stuff, such as managing your child's daily usage limits for the device usage limits, or set the downtime routine. So let's say your child will not be able to use the phone after midnight or after 11 p.m., for instance. You can also fully control the child's app experience at the app limits controls. With the app limits controls, apply and install content restrictions and age filters for apps. Configure the child's account settings, manage devices if you have multiple supervisees, monitor the live location of your child or supervisee, and see their device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up parental controls goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.